100 road signs, everyone you need to know to pass your DMV test. Let's get into it.
Stop sign. You must come to a complete stop before the crosswalk or intersection, check for traffic, and proceed when safe. Yield sign. You must slow down and give way to oncoming traffic or pedestrians, stopping if necessary before proceeding. No right turn sign. This sign means you are not allowed to make a right turn at this intersection or roadway. No U-turn sign. Making a U-turn is prohibited in this area, so continue straight or find a legal place to turn around. Left turn only sign. Traffic in this lane must turn left at the upcoming intersection, so ensure you are in the correct lane. Straight through only sign. Vehicles in this lane must continue straight and are not allowed to make any turns. Straight through and left turn sign. Drivers in this lane have the option to either continue straight or turn left at the intersection. No U-turn or left turn sign. You are prohibited from making either a U-turn or a left turn at this intersection. No straight through sign. You cannot proceed straight ahead at this intersection and must turn left or right. Bike lane sign. This lane is designated exclusively for bicyclists, so motor vehicles must not drive or park in it. Keep right sign. You must stay to the right of a divider, obstruction, or median ahead. Keep left of obstacles sign. You must stay to the left of a divider, island, or obstruction in the roadway ahead. Do not enter sign. You are not allowed to enter this road, as it is designated for oncoming traffic only. No truck sign. Trucks and heavy vehicles are not allowed beyond this point, so drivers of such vehicles must turn back. No bicycle sign. Bicycles are prohibited on this roadway, and cyclists must find an alternative route. One-way, right, sign. Traffic on this road moves only to the right, so you must proceed in that direction. Roundabout circulation sign. A roundabout is ahead, and drivers must yield to traffic already in the circle and travel in the shown direction. Tow-away zone sign. Vehicles parked illegally in this area will be towed away at the owner's expense. No parking sign. Vehicles are not allowed to park in this area at any time. No pedestrians crossing sign. Pedestrian traffic is not allowed beyond this point, so people must use another route. No hitchhiking sign. Standing by the road to solicit a ride from passing vehicles is illegal in this area. Falling rocks sign. There may be loose rocks or debris on the road ahead, especially near cliffs or steep areas. No equestrian sign. Horses and horseback riders are not permitted to travel on this roadway or trail. No snowmobile sign. Snowmobiles are prohibited from driving on or crossing this section of the road. Weight limit sign. Vehicles exceeding the posted maximum weight are not allowed to proceed on this road or bridge. Hazardous material route sign. This indicates the approved and safe route that vehicles carrying hazardous materials must follow. Hazardous material prohibited sign. Vehicles transporting hazardous materials are not permitted to travel on this road. National Network route sign. This marks a route that is part of the national network, approved for use by large commercial trucks. National Network prohibited sign. Large commercial vehicles operating under national network rules are not allowed on this route. Railroad crossing sign. The railway crossing ahead meets the road at an angle, so use caution when approaching and crossing. Do not drive on tracks sign. Vehicles are not permitted to drive on railway or streetcar tracks, as it is unsafe and illegal. School crossing sign. Children may be crossing the road nearby, so drive slowly and stay alert for pedestrians. School bus stop ahead sign. A school bus stop is located ahead, and you may need to stop when buses pick up or drop off children. School speed limit sign. This indicates the reduced maximum speed allowed when approaching a school zone during specified hours. Turn right sign. A very sharp right turn is coming up, so slow down significantly and steer carefully through it. Curve, left, sign. The road ahead curves to the left, so you should slow down and follow the curve carefully. Reverse turn, left, sign. Two sharp turns are coming up, first in one direction and then the opposite, so reduce your speed. Reverse curve, right, sign. The road curves to the right and then to the left, forming an S shape, so approach carefully. Single lane shift sign. The lane shifts slightly to one side ahead, so follow the road markings to stay in your lane. Double lane shift sign. Two lanes of traffic shift to one side ahead, so maintain your position and follow the alignment. Triple lane shift sign. Three lanes of traffic shift to one side ahead, requiring you to carefully follow the realigned road. Winding road sign. A series of curves or bends are ahead, so reduce your speed and steer carefully through the turns. Chevron sign. A sharp curve is coming up, and the chevron arrows show the direction you should follow. Hairpin curve sign. The road ahead takes a very sharp, U-shaped turn, requiring you to slow down drastically to navigate it. Truck rollover warning sign. The upcoming curve or grade is dangerous for large trucks, which risk rolling over if taken too fast. 270-degree loop sign. A circular loop ramp is ahead, requiring a 270-degree turn, so reduce speed significantly. Crossroad sign. A crossroads is coming up where another road meets yours, so watch for vehicles entering from both sides. Side road sign. There is a side road entering from the left ahead, so watch for vehicles joining your lane. Offset side road sign. Two side roads join from opposite sides but not directly across from each other, so expect turning traffic. Double side road sign. Two closely spaced side roads intersect the main road ahead, so watch for entering or exiting vehicles. Stop ahead sign. This sign warns that a stop sign is coming up ahead, so you should start slowing down and be prepared to make a complete stop. Yield ahead sign. There is a yield sign ahead, so be ready to slow down and give way to oncoming traffic or pedestrians. Signal ahead sign. A traffic light is approaching ahead, and you should prepare to obey the signal that will control your movement. Speed limit ahead sign. You are approaching an area where the speed limit will change, so begin adjusting your speed before reaching it. Merge, left, sign. Traffic from another road is merging into your lane from the left, so be prepared to adjust your speed and make room. Lane ends merge, left, sign. The right lane is ending ahead, and drivers must safely merge into the left lane. Added right lane sign. A new lane is joining from the side, and no merging is required for through traffic. Road narrows sign. The roadway ahead becomes narrower, so slow down and allow space for oncoming traffic. Narrow underpass sign. The bridge ahead is narrower than the roadway, so slow down and yield to oncoming vehicles if necessary. Divided highway begin sign. Divided highway end sign. The physical barrier or median separating two-way traffic is ending, so prepare for oncoming traffic in adjacent lanes. Two-way traffic sign. The road ahead carries traffic moving in both directions, so stay on your side of the center line. Lane ends merge sign. One of the lanes on the road will end soon, so prepare to merge safely with traffic in the remaining lane. Narrow two-way traffic sign. The two-way road ahead is narrow, so proceed cautiously and be ready to yield to oncoming vehicles. Steep hill sign. A steep hill or downgrade is ahead, so shift to a lower gear and control your speed. Bicycle hill sign. Cyclists are warned of a steep hill ahead, meaning they may be moving slowly or need extra room. Slippery when wet sign. The road surface can become slippery in wet conditions, so slow down and avoid sudden turns or stops. Shoulder drop-off sign. There is a significant height difference between the road and the shoulder, so avoid drifting off the pavement. Interior lane shift sign. The interior lanes shift their alignment ahead, so follow the road markings carefully. Bicycle lane end sign. The designated bike lane is ending ahead, so cyclists must merge carefully with regular traffic. Railroad crossing ahead sign. There are train tracks ahead, and you should prepare to stop if a train is approaching. Low ground clearance sign. Vehicles with a low undercarriage may get stuck on the crossing ahead, so proceed with extreme caution. Deer crossing sign. Deer are known to cross the road in this area, so stay alert and be prepared to stop suddenly. Pedestrian crossing sign. This indicates that people may be crossing the road ahead, so reduce your speed and be ready to yield to pedestrians. Bicycle route sign. This road is part of a designated network for bicyclists, so expect to share the road safely with bikes. Farm machinery sign. Tractors or farm equipment frequently use or cross this road, so be prepared to slow down for slow-moving vehicles. Emergency vehicle sign. You are approaching an area where emergency vehicles may suddenly enter the roadway, so stay alert. Handicapped accessible sign. This marks an area reserved for people with disabilities, such as accessible parking or building access. Truck route sign. This indicates the approved road that trucks and heavy vehicles should use for safe travel. Golf cart crossing sign. Golf carts frequently cross the road at this location, so stay alert and be prepared to slow down. Horse-drawn vehicle sign. Horse-drawn carriages may be present on the road, so approach slowly and give them plenty of room. Bear crossing sign. Bears are known to cross the road in this area, so drive carefully and stay alert for wildlife. Flagger ahead sign. A person with a flag is controlling traffic ahead due to construction or an incident, so prepare to stop. Workers ahead sign. Road workers are present ahead, so reduce your speed and follow any signs or flaggers. Interstate route marker sign. A shield-shaped sign indicating the number of the interstate highway you are currently traveling on. U.S. route marker sign. A badge-shaped sign indicating the specific United States highway you are currently traveling on. State route marker sign. This indicates the state highway number you are traveling on, often stylized with a shape representing the state. County route marker sign. A sign identifying the specific county road you are traveling on, helping you navigate local routes. Forest route marker sign. A sign marking a designated road that goes through a national or state forest area. Parking area sign. This points to a designated off-street area where you can safely park your vehicle. Detour sign. An alternate route is provided due to a road closure, so follow the directional arrows to bypass the obstruction. Dead end sign. The road you are on will come to an end soon, and you will not be able to pass through. No outlet sign. The road or neighborhood you are entering does not connect to another through street, so you must turn back to exit. Playground sign. A playground is nearby, meaning children might be present, so drive cautiously and stay alert. Hospital sign. A hospital with emergency services is located nearby, so follow the directional signs to reach it. Food sign. Food services or restaurants are available at the upcoming exit or location, so prepare to turn off if needed. Airport sign. This sign indicates the direction or exit to a nearby airport for travelers. Bus station sign. This points to the location of a nearby terminal for commercial buses. Do not stop on tracks sign. You must not stop your vehicle directly on the railroad tracks. Ensure you have enough room to clear them completely. Truck height limit sign. The height of the upcoming bridge or structure is limited, so ensure your vehicle can pass safely underneath.
And that's all 100. Save this video because you're gonna want to come back to it before your test. If it helped, subscribe. We've got everything you need to pass first try.